Come join us to enjoy learning and for amazing guidance. Hi, hope you guys are all doing great. We're launching Mission 12 batch towards NEET MDS 2023 on January 1st, 2022. As Plato rightly said, the beginning is the most important part of the work. And this Mission 12 batch is an amazing opportunity for you to begin your preparation and crack NEET MDS 2023. So those who have completed the final year and are about to enter into internship, those who are planning for 1 year preparation, this is the ideal batch, right? So in this Mission 12 batch, we'll be providing you access to e-classes, test series, study club discussions, assignments, along with key points and topic-wise MCQs, which will be conducted as per a standard schedule. So to access this schedule, along with details of all these courses, including fee structure, you can find the relevant link in the description box below. Or you can even check our website, ptbdacademy.com, or even contact us through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com for any further queries or clarification or assistance or guidance from our side. And please remember, it's all about working hard, working consistently, and most importantly, believing in ourselves. And these three factors, we call them as preparation mantra, and if you keep them in mind and if you implement them, success is all yours. So, wish you all the best. Love you all.